Hello everyone! Today is prep day here at Angry Double Westgate dahil bukas na ang aming chef's night. So, I'm back here in my kitchen, getting ready for tomorrow, and I can't wait to see everyone who booked at lahat ng mga makakasama ko tomorrow for the first and second seating. Na-miss ko kayo. So, I have a few slots left for my first seating, so give us a call. Here at our Angry Double hotline. Punta lang kayo sa social media page namin, which is official Angry Double. Makikita nyo doon yung hotline numbers namin. And puro na yung second seating ko. So if you still want to experience our chef's night, first seating na lang available namin. So give us a call now because we'll be closing our lines pretty soon. Because kailangan ko nang isara yung head count ko for tomorrow. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow!